Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to solve jigsaw puzzles quickly. Start by finding a good workspace. A large, flat table with excellent lighting is ideal. Next, empty your puzzle box and turn every single piece face up. This initial sorting step is crucial for speed. Group pieces by their colors, distinct patterns, and especially by their edge shapes. This organized approach will save you significant time later on. Once your pieces are sorted, focus on building the border. Find all the straight-edged pieces and set them aside. Identify the 4 corner pieces first, as they are your starting points. Connect these corners with the straight edges to form the complete outer frame. This provides a solid structure and defines the puzzle's overall dimensions, making the interior much easier to tackle. With the border complete, shift your focus to the interior. Continue sorting by grouping similar colors and patterns into smaller, manageable piles. Look for distinct sections within the puzzle, such as a clear blue sky, a patch of green trees, or a specific object like a building. Refer frequently to the puzzle box image. It's your most valuable guide for understanding where pieces belong. Now it's time to connect those smaller, completed sections. Look for pieces that bridge the gaps between your assembled areas. Don't be afraid to try different piece shapes in the remaining open spaces. Sometimes a piece fits unexpectedly. If you feel stuck, take a short 5-minute break. Stepping away and returning with fresh eyes can often reveal connections you missed before, leading to a satisfying finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.